This tutorial will show you how to change materials on the 6100. As road, weather, or storm conditions change, it may be necessary to change the material that is being applied to the roads. In order to do this, place the spreader into standby mode. You will then navigate to the menu page and push the Material Soft key. Please note that the Material button will remain grayed out if the vehicle is not stationary or is operating at a speed greater than 5 miles per hour, including SimSpeed mode, if active. In this material menu, it will allow you to choose between different materials for each of the spreading modes. When highlighted, pushing the navigation stick to the right will show you the list of available materials that are configured and calibrated for each mode in calibration settings. Depending on how your truck is configured, you may have up to 10 different granular materials, pre-wet materials, and direct liquid materials within each material type to choose from. Within the menu, push the navigation stick up and down to select your material. When the correct material is highlighted in green, push the navigation stick in to confirm the selection. Move the navigation stick to the left to exit the material menu. The spreader is now ready to apply the newly selected material. Because different materials have unique storm-fighting properties and application rates, you may also notice different rate selections available. For example, you may have salt application rates of 200 to 800 pounds per mile, but sand application rates may automatically change from 500 to 1,800 pounds per mile when sand is selected as the material to be applied. Your blast mode application rate may change as well. In conclusion, place the spreader into standby mode to change the material. Click on the Material Soft key and select what material is needed for application. From there, you can exit out to the main menu and confirm the new material is displayed and adjust rates accordingly for the storm conditions.